Sounds like somebody's moving. Yep. There's always somebody moving in or out on the weekends here. Going this way, gentlemen, ladies. Come on. All right, we're heading down the stairs to the Amazon hub. I don't know if this, I'm walking downstairs, so I don't know if this is shaky video or not. Let me know. I'm using my June Smooth 4 cell phone stabilizer gimbal. I don't know the quality of it when I'm walking downstairs. So hopefully it's good quality. From what I've seen, technically wise, or I guess, what am I trying to say? Quality wise. It's proven itself to be a really, really good piece of gear. I do like it. Sorry. I do like it. It's a good piece of gear. I like this Mercedes right here too, this AMG. Kind of like a Mad Max finish to it. Definitely a cool color. And then on the back, it's the C63, I believe. Yeah, C63 AMG. What's up, brother? That's a big dog. Poodle? Oh, golden. She's nuts. Completely nuts. 14 years old. Oh, still going. Yeah. Later, man. All right, so here's the hub. Let me show you. Okay, so I'm wrangling dogs, but I'm also gonna do the hub and show you guys how it works. Just in case anybody's never done this before, these hubs are all over the place. This one's called Breezeway. This code, I think, is you put in the code. You put in the code, the door opens to whatever the name of the hub is Breezeway, and it'll serve those units, those apartment complex units from 1001 to 4109. Your package will be inside of one of these things as they see fit by size. When you're done, you close it. It secures. The screen says thank you, and you're all cleared out right there. They have hearing impaired things right there. And then again, the code, the hub is called Breezeway, and you just tap it. And you put in the code, or you can scan your phone, because they'll send you a barcode to your phone, and then you can just pull that up and then scan the barcode, and then it'll pop the door open. Or they'll email you the code, the numeric code, and you just type it in, and then the door opens. And there's larger bins at the bottom for larger packages. Pretty basic. And it'll tell you, hey, look, there's a hub. So if you're in the area and you're looking for an Amazon hub, it's accessible when you pull up and park anywhere out here, and you go in there to the hub, which is called Breezeway Hub. Put in your 6-digit code and get your goodie bag. So, okay, so this video is not about the goodie bag and what's in the goodie bag. I am going to do a video about the goodie bag and what's in the goodie bag. This video was about how to use an Amazon hub. For anyone who's never used one before, it's pretty simple. You saw how it only took me 20 seconds to get that done. It's pretty basic stuff. And then again, I want to just on a side note talk about how cool that AMG C63 is. I like the paint. Red brake calipers, and the windows or the mirrors fold in. It's got that matte black Mad Max finish to it. Michelin tires. It's very cool. Very cool car. Mine, of course, is the vintage one. It's CLK, which is the foundation for what that car is right there. My car was the original. I have a 2000 CLK. I think the CLKs came out in 98, and then it was 99 and then 2000. So, again, this was just about how to use the Amazon hub. So I'm going to do another video on what's in this package separately, so we'll handle that. And it's cool that this complex has a hub, and that's Beach Boulevard right there. Alright, gotta go. I'll do a video real quick on the contents of the goodie bag. Peace. Thanks for watching.